Are your orders arriving late, or is your warehouse filling up products that just won't move? You're not alone. I'm Guillem, brand ambassador at ForceFlow, and if you're a manufacturer or distributor, this video is for you. In the business world exist a lot of acronyms: ROI, MTS, BOM, CEO, but today you only need to know two to make smarter inventory and planning decisions. They are the BIAS and the MAE, and they are going to be your best friends for spotting and fixing forecast mistakes. Now, think of your inventory forecast like shooting arrows at a target. The BIAS tells you where your arrows are consistently landing. If all your arrows fall to the right, you're overestimating. If all your arrows fall to the left, you're underestimating. In other words, it shows whether there's a consistent BIAS, like an archer who always aims a little off. Interpreting it, it's easy, and it's crucial to avoid stockouts and inventory excess. To calculate it, you only need to follow the next formula: what you forecasted minus your actual results divided by your actual results, and then multiply by 100. Easy, right? So, if you forecasted 1,050 units and you only sold 1,000 units, your BIAS is 5%, meaning that you overestimated. The closer your BIAS is to zero, the closer you are to the bullseye. It signals that your forecast is on track and not consistently off in one direction. But hey, BIAS only tells you which way you're off, but not by how much. And this is where MAE, or mean absolute error, comes in. This metric measures the average distance of your arrows from the center, basically how many units do you usually miss by each period. The formula is simple. You add up your absolute errors that are the result of what you forecasted minus your actual results, and then divide it by the number of predictions, and you're done. So if you miss by 10 units in 2 consecutive days, your MAE is 10. Easy. The closer to zero is your MAE metric, more accurate is your forecast. It's straightforward, reliable, and don't overreact to demand spikes, making it perfect for inventory purchasing and customer service. But keep in mind, it treats all the mistakes equally, even the critical ones. And if your demand is very low or sporadic, MAE can favor forecast of zero. In this kind of situations, we will need another type of metrics, like the RMSE, but we will cover those in another video. For the moment, you need to remember: BIAS shows the direction you're off, and the MAE shows the average size of your misses. Together, they tell you if your bow and arrows are working. And why does it matter? Because an accurate and unbiased supply chain means lower cost, fewer stockouts and inventory excess, and happy customers. In few words, success. Now, if you want to automate these metrics, you only need to visit and try ForceFlow.cloud. You will be able to see your data in real time and make the best decisions for your inventory and your business. See you in the next video.